Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth option grayed out on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, I have some solution about this problem. First of all, open setting application appears on screen and turn on airplane mode here. Guys, after few seconds turn back it off. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. After that, must be see the next solution. Tap on general and now scroll down here. Guys, now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset here. Guys, tap on reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after reset network setting, because any problem inside your iPhone will be solved by reset network setting. Enter the passcode and reset network setting. And if this method not work after the setting, now tap on setting again, scroll down, tap on general and tap on software update. If software update is available, now update your iPhone. Here guys, update is available. And after that, if this method not work, simply check out the sim from your iPhone and check in again. I hope your problem will be solved. If these methods not work, simply the last solution is open setting here and scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting. I hope after reset all setting your problem will be solved after reset all setting or your iPhone. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.